Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we'll be talking about chartered accountant. इस वीडियो में हमने डिटेल एनालिसिस की है about the course and duration of chartered accountant, eligibility criteria, admissions, career and jobs for chartered accountants, and of course the salary. So so first of all, I exactly want to tell you what a chartered accountant is and what exactly they do. हमने बहुत बार सुना होगा from the people who are practicing CA कि it's very difficult and all those stuff. So exactly, if you want to be a part of it, if you want to be a person who is called a CA, so you actually should know what work they do and who they are exactly. So basically, chartered accountant works as a private advisors in the account department in an organization or for a firm or a startup or a business. So they actually deals with disputes, bankruptcy, taxes, audits, and they move around the accounts of a financial company or a firm. Basically, not only financial company, any organization, any firm, any startup. So when a person actually complete their course, they can work for as auditor, as go for cost accounting, tax management accounting, consultancy, or financial work anywhere in the financial industry or in any industry basically. So let me tell you about the course and duration for CA. So it takes 5 years to complete the CA course. So ICAI. So you must know what ICAI is. So they have actually, divided the CA course into three levels. The first one is CPT, that is Common Proficiency Test. The second one is IPCC, Integrated Professional Competence Course. The third one is FC, that is your final course. So the CPT, sorry, which we would be actually talking about, it is an entry level foundation for course. So we in that test, through that examination, only your quantitative aptitude test and journal economic question would be coming, and of course some law and accounting question that is done to just check your basically analytical and logical thinking. The IPCC has two groups. It covers the working knowledge of the core subjects, of course, and it is designed basically to check the knowledge of accounting standards. The CA final course, it covers the advanced knowledge of financial reporting, management accounting, statistic financial management, professional ethics, information system control, and advanced auditing. So those students who have cleared their plus 2 examination, because like if you have done your 12th class examination, you can actually go for this foundation level test that is conducted by ICAI, and that test is CPT, which I told you it's an entry level foundation test. So if you have actually passed the group 1, the students can go for on job training of 3 years, and which is commonly known as articleship. Okay, so it's with some accounts firm or audit firm, because that is going to help you and make give you a great exposure. So if you're done with your internship, like basically it is known as articleship, not internship, when it comes for CA. So if you're done with your articleship, the student can appear for the final course. The journal management and communication skill course is it's just for 15 days. It's a mandatory training, introduced in 2003 by ICAI. So all students, all candidates who are actually going for CA, they have to do this course. So this course deals with budget planning, market research. As I already told you, CA moves around all those audit or tax planning, everything. So it also deals with planning of policies, management of working capital of an organization. Some major decisions of the organization are actually where CA concerns. So these are some basic skills which are actually, which should be there in a candidate who are going to pursue CA. Those are numerical ability, logical and methodical approach, good understanding of social and economic environment in which the operate in which an organization the CA is working for or looking into operates. So these are some necessary, skills which a CA should have. And whenever we deal with the finance of a company, we must know which the company is, in which industry it is. Like, you must have heard people saying that this industry is not working well because of COVID, or this is going, like we all know, pharma industry is doing so well because of the pandemic which came. So this is what CA deals with. He actually have to look into the company, into the industry, then he have to make, use his analytical and logical mind and give them the finance advisors. So now we come into the eligibility and admission work. So a student with the commerce degree or science degree or arts, any degree basically, with any stream which they have gone for 12th class, they can get the admission in CA course. They must have the knowledge of computer. Basically, in today's generation, everyone should have the knowledge of computer, because everything is, technical. We have to learn computer because everything is going online. So yes, computer based knowledge is very important. After the completion of your 12th class, the students have to take the CA program through the CPT exam, as I already informed you what CPT is. So students, if you are interested, like since 10th or beforehand, if you have thought that you want to go for CA, then you can of course book your examination at that time also. But of course, you'll be eligible to give that examination after 12th only. So any candidate who are going for CA or who are planning to give CPT examination, they must have at least 50 percentage in their 12th class. Now we'll look into the career and job option, like for CAs. So the career as a CA is an interesting career option, as we all know, because CA deals with a lot, and a whole company is basically indirectly or directly dependent on a CA's decision, and that is very, a big deal. So the CA professional cannot work in any field once they get the certification by ICAI. They have to take permission from ICAI before doing it. So every CA, every professional who is practicing CA, they must have the certificate from ICAI. If they don't have, they are not eligible. Basically, they won't be a professional CA and they can't work. So there is a lot demand of young CA, because companies are rising and everything, the market is blooming, so CAs are in a great demand. So it is a very nice time to become a CA. So some top, recruiters for CAs are banks, auditing firms, finance companies, and mutual fund companies, of course, PM companies, that is portfolio management companies, investment houses, stockbroking. In fact, not only these, any company in any industry, in any market needs a CA. So CA have to go through, these are some very important responsibilities which CA have to look into. That those are their operating accounts of a firm, managing taxes, budgeting and budgetary control, dealing with wages and salary, carrying out internal audits, forecasting, monitoring expenditure, and paying accounts and sending out invoices. So now we come to the last part, that is the salary one. So people actually believe that CA get a very good salary, and yes, that is true. But you actually have to gain few experience year. You must have 2 to 3 of experience year to gain nice high salary. Yes, every CA will get 3 to 6 lakh per annum as a fresher. But if you want to get more, that is just 7 to 8 or more than that, of course, then you have to be experienced. But yes, for freshers also, it is a very nice deal, and you actually get 6 to 7 or 3 to 7 lakhs per annum very easily. So I hope this video might have helped you. If you have any doubt regarding CA or any other thing, please mention it in the comment section, and we would love to see your comments. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day. All the best.